Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, which means Motivational Monday on this channel. Each week I try and talk about something different or share something different with you that you hopefully will find motivational for your week. Today I'm talking about being happy. I've got 20 different ways to help you stay happy. Some of these points are ways that I find personally helpful to make me feel happy, and then I've got some extra ones that I wanted to share as well. I'm a very positive person. I'm very upbeat. It takes a lot to keep me down, and some of these ways are things that make me feel happy on a daily basis, and I just wanted to share them with you today. Going to start at number one, and that's getting a good night's sleep. Everyone knows that having good sleep sets you up for the day and can make a huge difference to your whole day and how you feel. Work out how many hours work best for you. Sometimes getting too much sleep can actually have the opposite effect. I find I'm a big dreamer. I have a lot of dreams and often they're not very nice, and I wake up feeling really tired in the morning. And I found recently that actually by switching off work a couple of hours earlier than what I usually do, and also going out for a walk in the evening, is actually helping me unwind. I'm having less dreams, and I can wake up feeling like I've done a marathon sometimes in the morning. I've had so many dreams and I'm dreaming less, and I'm just waking up feeling so much better for it. Number two, to always shower. Get your hair done, your makeup if you wear makeup, and get yourself dressed before going downstairs in the morning. For me personally, this makes a huge difference to my day. I don't want to start work in my pajamas. If I'm dressed and ready for the day, if I've made an effort and and if I'm happy with how I look, then I feel so much better in myself. Remember, if you look good, you feel good. Always make your bed before going downstairs. It makes such a big difference to your day. It's just something you've already done, that you've ticked off your list, and it just makes your bedroom look so much nicer. So always make your bed before you go downstairs in the mornings. Number four, always plan your week. I find having a plan makes my week so much easier. I meal plan, I have a cleaning schedule, I have everything detailed so I know if there's appointments, I know if we've got things happening with family, if the kids have plans. It just makes it so much easier when I have it written out in front of me and I know exactly what's happening the day ahead of me. It just makes my life so much easier. And by me seeing what's in my planner for the week or the day ahead, my head feels so much happier with that. I like to have something to look forward to in the day. For me, often coming downstairs, I like to have a coffee in the morning. It just makes me feel really happy, and I like having a shower, knowing that I'm going to be having a coffee in a short while. It just makes me really, really happy. It could be that having a smoothie makes you happy, a favorite breakfast cereal, just something like that, something small to look forward to in the morning just makes your day so much nicer. I like to have a morning routine. I have a quick cleaning routine in the morning. I get dressed and showered, I come downstairs, I put the coffee on, and I have a cleaning routine, and that sets me up for the whole day. It generally takes me about 20 minutes. It's not so long. I like to hoover, I like to mop, I like to dust, and I always clean up the night before so the kitchen's always clean, and it just makes me feel so much better, and I'm ready then to start work and the house is already clean and tidy. Number seven is having a daily list. I like to write up my list the night before, and as I continue through the day, I tick everything off with a highlighter. It's the best feeling when you're marking something off, a real sense of achievement, no matter how small it is. It could be just a phone call, it could be that you dusted the lounge, it could be that you've answered your emails. Tick them off and you'll feel so much better for it. For me, I like to be surrounded by really nice smells. I like scented candles, and depending on what kind of mood, what kind of season, I vary the candles. I like really nice hand creams. I like using nice products in my hair. I like using nice body sprays. All of these things just make me feel really, really good. Number 9 is eating good food. Again, like I said, I do meal plan, and so I always have a well-balanced and thought out plan, and I know exactly what I'm cooking in the day, but making sensible choices really, really does feel good. I do like treats, and I like good food to look forward to. I do like my treat nights, but at the same time, having treats every day, unhealthy food, is not a treat. It becomes a really unhealthy diet. And then you have that feeling of guilt as well. We all know that feeling when we've overindulged or when we've had too many treats. You just feel really rubbish about yourself, and you end up having a bad relationship with food, and that just makes you feel rubbish. And suddenly eating treat food makes you feel unhappy rather than happy. So save those treats for treats and not everyday foods. Speak or text to somebody that makes you smile. Sometimes if I'm having a bad morning or I'm just not feeling too happy, I will call up my sister. She's always my go-to person that I know will make me smile. I don't even have to tell her if I'm having a bad day. Just hearing her voice, she always makes me laugh. I always come off that phone feeling so much better for it. So text a friend, text a family member, pick up the phone. If you've got somebody that makes you feel happy and makes you smile, make contact with that person. Remember to do something for you every single day, even if it's just something small like reading a magazine, having a bubble bath. Try and do something that's just for you throughout the day. If you enjoy yoga, get up early in the morning and do yoga. If you enjoy watching something on Netflix, watch a Netflix show in the evening. If you enjoy going out for a walk, if you enjoy reading a magazine, if you need creative time, that's always my time. I love that time. It's really, really important to me. And add your item, your one thing that you love, to your to-do list, and then that way you have to get it done each day and you don't feel guilty for doing it, and you can even tick it off your list and feel even better about it. Number 12, have something to look forward to. I know I covered it slightly with having something smaller in the day, like a coffee to look forward to, but have something on a larger scale to plan, to have goals for, to aim for, that you can look forward to. For me personally, it's our family holidays. They are what I live for. My whole life, I look forward to planning. I look forward to our holidays and our time together. It's my light at the end of the tunnel, and it's something that I always think about. But it could be on a smaller scale. It could be a date night with your partner. It could be a night out with the girls. It could be that you've got a cinema trip coming up. It could be anything, but having something to look forward to is really, really important. The next one is to try and stop negative thoughts. I think we're all guilty of this sometimes. The self-judgment or the worry. We all think negatively about ourselves. I'm really bad at that, especially if I'm with a large group of people and I come away afterwards and then I dissect what I've said and what I've done, and then I just almost critique everything and I really, really worry. Try and stop doing that. I think we're our own worst enemies when it comes to that kind of thing. If you're having negative thoughts, pause and refocus your thoughts and try and start again. Number 14 is to always be kind to others. I love the motto to always treat people how you wish to be treated yourself. I think this is a really, really good one to think of. Try and be patient with people. Think about how you answer sometimes before you actually speak. And also when you're actually really nice to somebody, it does make you feel better for yourself. I try and do something. I love to make other people smile, even if it's just stopping while I'm in the car, letting somebody cross the road, holding the door open for somebody. If you see somebody coming with a pram, stop and hold open a door. It's just a really nice feeling when you know that you've helped somebody and you know that you've impacted their day. Number 15 is spending time with family and friends. Social time is really, really important. It plays a big part in improving our happiness. So when you're planning for your month ahead, always remember to make plans with family and friends. Number 16 is exercise. Everyone knows that exercise is important. It helps you relax. It increases your brain power. It has a huge effect on our happiness. And it does improve your body image even if you don't lose the weight. Having exercise is really, really important. Even if it's just going out for a good walk each day, it's really important and does help you feel happier. The next one is to get outside. There's been numerous studies done that prove that getting outside, getting fresh air is really good for us. So try and get outside, get some fresh air every single day. The next one is to be within a happy community. I think social media plays a big role in many people's lives now. Lots of people actually have anxiety and stress through various communities that they belong to online. Maybe have a think about where you do hang out online and if it brings you happiness. Go through your Instagram, go through your Facebook. If you've got feeds, if you've got people that pop out that actually make you feel rubbish about yourself or that make you feel unhappy, delete those accounts, delete those people, and only have ones that make you feel positive and happy. That takes us back to point number 14 as well, and I would like to say that always think about what you put as well on social media before you hit that button. Remember that what you say can really impact another person's day as well. Posting on social media does go both ways. Number 19 is to declutter and save things that truly make you happy. Being around clutter, being around untidiness just makes you feel a bit rubbish. I went through and did all my kitchen cupboards and drawers last year, just slowly one by one, and they're so much easier to keep tidy, and I just really enjoy being in the kitchen now. I need to do my handbag, it's really messy and I can't find things in there, and it just makes you feel a bit rubbish. So try and declutter, give things away to charity, and just keep on top of the tidiest. It will make you feel so much better. And finally, number 20, write something down positive every day. I started a journal, and it's so nice to just write something positive, something good each day that you've done, even if it's just something small, like you've had a good night's sleep, that you've been out for a walk. Write down if you've had a good experience, if someone's done something nice to you, if you've done something really nice that day, write it down. It's really good to keep a journal anyway, but it's lovely to look back on as well. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video today. I hope those 20 points have been useful to you. Let me know if you practice any of those, if they make a big difference to your day. I would also love to know if you've got extra things as well. What makes you happy? What makes a difference to your day? Please leave your comments below. I would love to know, and I'm sure other people would love to see as well. It could be that we find new things to do in our day that make us feel happy. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you have a very, very happy week. This week coming up, I have a create and bake video on Wednesday, which I'm looking forward to sharing with you. I have a declutter video coming up on Friday and a Disney video on Saturday. So if you like any of those things, please do subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the week. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.